Imagine waking up tomorrow, opening your laptop, and discovering someone just paid you $2,500. Not because you're famous, not because you know how to code, and definitely not because you're some AI genius. They paid you because you solved one problem with artificial intelligence. Here's what's crazy. Just 2 years ago, most of these jobs didn't even exist. Today, some people are quietly building 6- and even 7-figure businesses using nothing but AI tools and a Wi-Fi connection. But here's the catch. Most people are chasing the wrong AI opportunities. They're making AI art, writing random ChatGPT prompts, or trying to become the next AI influencer. Meanwhile, the people making real money are doing something completely different. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 AI business models that are changing everything. And the last one? It could completely replace the idea that you need to learn programming to build software. Chapter 1. Why AI is creating a new gold rush. Explain how every major technology shift creates new millionaires. Internet, smartphones, social media, now AI. Every gold rush has 2 types of people, the ones digging for gold and the ones selling the shovels. These AI businesses are the digital shovels. Chapter 2. Business number 1. AI video clipping. Think about your favorite podcast. It spends 2 hours creating one video, but that same video can become 50 shorts. Most creators don't have time. That's where AI comes in. AI finds viral moments, adds captions, exports shorts. Creator saves time. You get paid. Transition. But editing videos isn't the only thing AI can automate. Chapter 3. AI ghostwriting. Story about busy CEOs. CEOs don't lack ideas, they lack time. Explain recurring monthly income. Chapter 4. AI website builder. Tell the story of a local coffee shop losing customers because its website looks like it's from 2012. AI fixes it in hours. Chapter 5. AI Shopify store. Imagine owning a store without touching inventory, without packing boxes, without renting a warehouse. Explain automation. Warn that success still requires product research and marketing. Chapter 6. AI receptionists. Example, a dental clinic misses 30 phone calls every week. Each missed call could be worth hundreds of dollars. AI answers instantly, books appointments, works 24/7, never takes a lunch break. Chapter 7. AI avatars. Imagine brands hiring virtual employees. Explain why companies like consistency. Show future possibilities. Chapter 8. AI app builder. The biggest opportunity. 10 years ago, building software meant hiring developers, spending hundreds of thousands of dollars, waiting months. Today, someone with zero coding experience can describe an app in plain English, and AI builds the first version in minutes. Here's something most people won't tell you. None of these businesses are passive. AI doesn't replace hard work, it replaces repetitive work. The winners won't be the people with the best prompts. They'll be the people who understand customers better than anyone else. Learn one skill, master one AI tool, solve one real business problem. That's how ordinary people build extraordinary businesses. So here's my question. Which of these 7 AI businesses would you start today? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more videos breaking down the biggest business opportunities before everyone else catches on, hit subscribe, because the AI revolution is just getting started.